Hey guys, I'm back with more stuff regarding the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. My Twitter feed is raining with the parts of Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The batteries, the fingerprint scanner, the camera module, it's all out. With these parts leak, it's pretty much confirmed that Galaxy S9 will be having a 3000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S9 Plus will rock a 3500 mAh cell. So these sizes are the same as the last year's flagship phones, the S8 and S8 Plus, which is still awesome. I mean, the battery life performance on the S8 Plus is still pretty awesome as far as my battery testing goes. Looking at the fingerprint scanner, we have a new shape which is similar to the Galaxy A8 2018 phone. So it's more of a horizontal fingerprint scanner compared to the vertical shaped on the Galaxy S8 family. Very similar to the A8 2018, which also features a back fingerprint scanner right below the camera. Now, in my usage, this new fingerprint scanner was very easy to access. I mean, you don't have to worry too much about smudging the camera sensors, so it's a win situation in that perspective. But it's noticeably slower than the phones like the OnePlus 5D, which has a blazingly fast fingerprint scanner. So I definitely expect the Galaxy S9 family to have faster unlock speed with this new scanner compared to the Galaxy A8 2018 family. And speaking of A8 family, I am giving away one Galaxy A8 2018. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, that's where I'm most active, and also follow me on Twitter, that's where I'm going to be announcing the winner. And lastly, leave a comment below. I'll pick a random winner on February 20th. Now back to the topics. The parts are leaked. You can see we have just one camera sensor leak, which further confirms that the Galaxy S9 will be rocking a single camera lens, while the S9 Plus is going to be the one with two camera sensors. And again, the battery sizes are same as the last year's flagships, but the battery life performance will be improved, that's for sure, thanks to the new 10nm second generation chipsets. We have the Exynos 9810 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. The scores for the Qualcomm 845 are pretty impressive, but the Exynos 9810 processor is believed to surpass that, and it will be the most powerful processor in the Android world. We still have yet to see the performance numbers or benchmark numbers of this processor, so it is expected that it could score like 4000 plus in the single core, around 9500 multi-core. Now let's talk about the proof that the bezels on the Galaxy S9 are actually shorter than the Galaxy S8. This image information was posted by the tech leak superstar OnLeaks, and this shows that the bezels are indeed smaller on the Galaxy S9. So first up, you can see that the top of the Galaxy S9 is slightly thinner than the Galaxy S8's top, and also same goes for the earpiece. It is slightly shorter, and of course it will feature the sound capability. I mean, the Galaxy S9 will feature stereo speaker system, so the sound will come from the bottom speaker and from the top as well. Moving on to the bottom bezel, which is also smaller than the Galaxy S8. The only part where the S9 is a little bit thicker is on the side. It could result in a better durability and handling of the phone, since the last year's Galaxy S8 was prone to crack on the top right corner. Both of my S8 Plus and the Galaxy Note 8, they cracked from the top right corner, so I think that could be the reason why they have changed the thickness a little bit. But from the look of the Galaxy S9, you won't be able to tell the difference. I mean, these differences will only appear when compared side by side with the Galaxy S8. But yeah, the proof is here that the Infinity Design 2.0 is actually here with the Galaxy S9. Moving on to the next proof, which is for the camera. And as we guys know, that camera on the Galaxy S9 is its main killer feature. It's the biggest change of the camera since the Galaxy S7. So there are two main features about the camera. Number one, which is the variable camera aperture, that will give you the ability to change the aperture like the DSLR cameras in order to allow for more or less light to come in the sensor. Number two, we have the super slow motion videos, and by super I mean 900 frames per second slow-mo video. That is a killer level of slow motion video recording from a smartphone. Along with that, the S9 will also support 1080p slow-mo videos at 240/480 frames per second. Now, Samsung themselves confirmed these features. Their Instagram account has been high on tech lately. They posted 3 photos. First image consists of this boy on the swing. Another image is this guy jumping in the ocean. You guys see the connection? Yes, that's right. Both of these images tells us that something is happening with the motion, which means that it's a perfect tease of one of the main headline features of the Galaxy S9, which is its camera. And that is the super slow-mo video feature, my friends. It's coming at 900 frames per second. And guys, this is a proof that S9 will indeed feature a super slow-mo video mode. And the third recent image they posted on Instagram was a portrait of this cat with a beautifully blurred background. Notice the shadows, the brightness directed at the subject in focus. It all feels so perfect. This confirms that the variable aperture ability on the Galaxy S9 is indeed coming. With this, you'll be able to make amazing portrait images with the help of the variable aperture. Galaxy S9 could be the most accurate portrait image capture phone on the market. So yeah guys, now we have proof that the bezels are actually smaller with a slightly thick side, proof that the super slow-mo video exists, and proof that the variable aperture is indeed real. Guys, I'm super excited for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Can't wait to try these features out. I'm trying my best to go to MWC 2018 to witness the beast. February 25 is the day of announcement, and March 16 is the day for the worldwide release. And lastly, the box accessories of the Galaxy S9 are confirmed via this document. So it says that the accessories are actually same as the Galaxy S8. So you get the same awesome AKG tuned headphones, fast charger, and that same fast charging cable is also listed. It's the same one from the Galaxy S8. So we can expect similar blazing charge times. And last awesome thing that this document confirms is that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are still rocking the micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Thank you so much, Samsung, for keeping these features alive and also keeping the headphone jack alive in 2018. So yeah guys, the features are confirmed by Samsung themselves. Let me know what are your thoughts down below in the comment section below. What is the feature that you are really excited for? Of course, there's an intelligent scan feature that we talked about in the last video. You can check that out right now. And yeah, I will be making some more videos if anything comes up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.